Risk identification. Risk identification is the process of finding, recognizing, and recording risks. It involves the identification of risk sources, events, their cause, and their potential consequences. Describe it as the first step in a risk assessment process, preceding risk analysis and risk evaluation. In safety context, where risk sources are known as hazard, this step is known as hazard identification. There are many different methods for identifying risks, including checklists or taxonomies based on the past data or theoretical model. Evidence-based methods such as literature review and analysis of historical data. Team-based methods that systematically consider possible deviation from normal operation. HAZOP, PMEA, and SWIFT. Empirical methods such as testing and modeling to identify what makes happen under particular circumstances. Techniques encouraging imaginative thinking about possibilities of the future, such as scenario analysis, expert allocation methods such as brainstorming, interview, and audits. Sometimes, risk identification methods are limited to finding and documenting risks that are to be analyzed and evaluated elsewhere. However, many risk identification methods also consider weather control, measure are sufficient and recommend improvements, and see they function as standalone qualitative risk assessment techniques. Risk analysis. Risk analysis is about developing an understanding of the risks. ISO defines it as the process to comprehend the nature of risk and to determine the level of risk. Risk assessment process. Risk analysis allows risk identification and precedes risk evaluation. However, these restrictions are not always followed. Risk analysis may ensure determining my end score, determining the sources, cause and rewards of risk, investigating the effectiveness of existing control, analyzing possible consequences and their likelihood, understanding interaction and dependencies between risks, determining measure of risk, verifying and validating results, uncertainty and sensitivity analysis. Risk analysis often uses data on the probabilities and consequences of previous events, where there have been few such events, or in the context of systems that are not yet operational and therefore have no previous experience. Various analytical methods may be used to estimate the probabilities and consequences. Proxy or analog view data from other contexts presumed to be similar in some aspect of race. Theoretical model should as Monte Carlo simulation and quantitative risk assessment software. Logical model should as Bayesian network, fault-free analysis and event-tree analysis aspect judgment should as absolute probability judgment or the Delphi method. Risk evaluation and risk criteria. Risk evaluation involves comparing estimate level of risk against risks criteria to determine the significance of the risk and make decision about risk treatment action. In most activities, risk can be reduced by adding further control or other treatment option. But typically this increased use of inconvenience. It is rarely possible to eliminate risks altogether without discontinuing the activity. Sometimes it is desirable to increase risk to secure value benefit. Risk criteria are intended to guide the decision on the various type of criteria in scope. Criteria that define the level of risk that can be assessed in pursuit of objectives sometimes known as risk APT, and evaluate pay, risk, or award analysis criteria had determined.